Well, here's the monster that slept for a decade, in for its second MOT with me. I don't think you can film MOT tests, so that's something for the future, I suppose. Got myself a cup of tea before we get started. Oberon slave doing its thing, which is great. Chain's lubricated and adjusted. Everything's kind of where it needs to be. And I guess 10 minutes from now, log on and then just go through the motions, and then we get some space made here. And we'll find out how it goes. Should be a clean pass, right? Be lovely. Okay, let's get this loaded back up. We've got a pass. And we got a shock absorber, light misting of oil. And to be fair, that was something that came up last year, but doesn't seem to have changed much. Fantastic. So let's get it back to workshop 1 and finish the job. What an absolute douchebag. Look at him. This guy's been an absolute prick. And he puts us bikers to shame, people like this. Look at him. And he'll crash and he'll want to claim us on his insurance, which costs us more money. And all he's been doing is hogging the back of my van. Finally overtook me on a blind bend. Oh yeah. Organ donor. Look at that. Brilliant. Skill set. Opening the door. Why? He just fucked his bike up. Anyway, delivering Andy's Ducati. You don't have to completely remove it, so that's it. Open it up all the way. So to open it, pull on the lever, that's it. Open it right wide to here and see how it loosens off?
Yeah.
And then just keep it loosened and give it a bit of a yank and it'll get looser, and then you can undo the hook. There you go, it's getting looser and looser. There you go, is that enough to undo the hooks?
Yeah,
Nice. I'll take them out this side. These are bought in the shopping centre, and it was a stupid thing to do. It's really stupid. They're as weedy as this crap. That is cool. It's just been really nice having Andy's monster back in the workshop. That was nice and easy, wasn't it, for year 2. I think I'm going to tell Andy when he comes to collect it, I want to do brake fluid front and back and an oil and filter next year, and we should whiz him for MOT again. Hopefully I get to go out for a ride with him. Tell you what's rare as hen's teeth, these. Rare as hen's teeth. Can't buy them. I've been waiting years to find a set. Can't find them anywhere. It's a glorious bike. Andy! Hey! So, things that have happened to your bike.
Yeah.
Oberon. Do you know, it did get... To be fair, I should have... If I wasn't such a classy guy, I might have gone black to match the bike. But I saw that red and it just called to me.
Yeah.
And it just says high performance.
Yeah. Lovely.
What you will see is a video on YouTube where I mistakenly try to install it, and then I have to phone Oberon for technical support.
Right.
And then when I worked it through with Oberon, they went, "You've missed it." Yeah, we've missed it in our instructions. We're gonna change all of our instructions now.
Yeah.
So it was the rubber that went between your old slave,
Yeah.
which is, I've put in the paperwork, well, I'll put in the box for you.
Yeah.
So I was trying to fit this with the original Ducati rubber,
Right.
which anyone who's done these before will say, you don't do that.
No,
Well, it's not
exactly.
even in the instructions.
No.
So that little piece of rubber was stopping
That going on.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it working.
Ideal.
So essentially, this is, I'm not great with all these parts. That's your original.
Yeah.
With all of the bits. You obviously get the new screws with the Oberon as well,
lovely.
which is fantastic. You've got your MOT, which
Fantastic.
is got the same advisory as last year with a light misting of oil.
Yeah.
I think it's good to keep it going that way.
Yeah, yeah.
And then I've got the destructions, and then I've got the invoice for the Oberon.
Brilliant.
Everything's looking really good.
Yeah.
However, obviously the environment it lives in is
It's
kind of corrosion's got here and there.
Yeah, it does.
At MOT, they had no issue with tyres or brakes or anything like that.
Yeah.
But if we come around the other side,
Yeah.
this is just a bit darker. I mean, it's not terrible, but it's just a little bit darker, which is your brake fluid.
Yeah.
So my thoughts were, because obviously this has been cleaned out completely, so
Yeah.
don't worry about the exterior of it.
Yeah.
This has got your dot 4. It's absolutely lovely. I flushed the lines through to the Oberon, but what I wanted to do is next year is do your brake fluid.
Yeah.
These are like rocking horse shit. I've been watching for fucking years to get a set of these. You can't get them for anywhere.
They're original Ducati ones,
Fucking
aren't
lovely.
they?
Yeah, they are original.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
And it does make a difference with
Yeah.
the quality.
So I think next year's oil and filter,
Yeah.
brake fluid front and back.
Yeah.
We'll assess this seal as to whether the
Probably-
fork's got to be.
Tyre will probably need changing.
I think
real
so.
one.
Yeah. I mean, get some miles on it and then wear it out. Get your money's worth out of
Oh,
it.
you got it. You definitely
But
got
she's
it.
an absolute trooper.
Beauty.
All right, Andy. Thank you very much for letting me work on your bike.
It's a pleasure.
And thank you very much for the alcohol. Woohoo! Excellent.
That was an unusual one, that one.
Really?
Yeah.
Sweet as.
Yeah, you'll like that.
Thank you. That's great. Thank you all for watching. I'll miss that bike. I've got to wait 12 months to see it again now. And a thank you to Leanne. She knows me well.